or rather keep it blank. Original part, you can put another image here or just put a simple color element. You can change the color from here. This I want to increase. I want to change the color. This color, maybe I want to change it to something else. Increase the font. Move this text up. Move this text. Font is too big. Try to reduce it. So simple things you can do. Now this I have done with only 2 pages. I want to add more pages. You can add a new page. A blank new page will come to you. You can divide the page with this grid, adding these shapes. You can add some stickers. You can add videos also, because this is anyways going to go digitally. So you can add videos also. Just click on videos. Again, you have some ready-made videos, or the video which you have already done in Bytable. You can add it here. Let's say take this video, any other video, simple video like this. I can put it here. Right? So this you can save it, and when you can click here and download it. If it's going to be a printing, then no use of the videos, but you can download it. It will be downloaded in the MP4 because I have a video there. All the 3 pages will be downloaded. I can download it, or I can even share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Google Drive, and any other things with which I can share it with. I can show it in the Box, HubSpot, and other things. So many things you can do with this Canva, and you can save your files. Your home button will show you where all your files are stored. So all your designs which have been done up till now will be stored. So education, now I'll just show you an example. I can even create attractive certificate from here. Now so many webinars and sessions we take, everyone gets an online certificate. We can create attractive certificates from here. Now if I want an award certificate or a diploma certificate or just a recognition certificate, you can select on that option, and you can select from any of this. Again, you just have to select the layout and try editing. Again, this shows you use this template, and then you can edit it like the way we did for the flyer. So you want to change this image, you want to change this color, you can easily change the font, the size, and everything. Again, download it, and then you can put it in your slides or AutoCAD, and you can send the certificates to all your participants. Fine. So that is what I just wanted to share with you.
Thank you.
This is only the presentations I wanted to share with you. Hope you all have enjoyed it and liked it. I just tried to give you an overview. You can explore it at yourself. There are many other designing tools which you can use. I just tried to give you 1 or 2. Gokul sir, yes, require more practice, sir. And Gokul sir, you can use it on the smartphone. Yes, you have an app for this of your Bytable. You can very well work. But what happens on mobiles or Android devices, you don't have a mouse. And when you're working on a mouse or other things, it's easy for you to control with the dragging or dropping or typing. So that's what I find it comfortable.
It is really good information. Thank you so much, ma'am. And all participants, I have shared feedback link into the chat box. Please do you fill that feedback. You will get certificate if you fill the feedback form. And feedback form will be available only in the chat box. We are not going to share in the Telegram group. So please fill that feedback form. Thank you so much.
One question, Mridula, I'll just say. Gokul sir, yes, you can create multiple certificates in the sense. Certificate you just create because this is just a designing software. So you create one certificate here and then other through Google Slides and all. Those who have already done our basic FD get the certificates, you can send it to 500, 1000, n number of participants. So that is through AutoCAD or other certifier. Only the designing part you do it here. You don't have to go on creating multiple certificates through Canvas. Only the designing you do through here. Hope I try to clear it. Yes, thank you.
Anyone have question?
Ma'am, can we upload videos on website creating Bytable? Yes, sir, you can very well. Whatever Bytable format, Bytable downloads in MP4. So you can, because you just have to check what file formats are there. It's not that Bytable video or other videos. You have to check it for the file format. If the file format is MP4, you can very well upload it on your presentations also and on your website also. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, and those who have missed the sessions, we are already sharing the YouTube link. Now, this session was live on YouTube and it is stored on YouTube. So, you can anytime go and check over there and do come up with new ideas and kindly share it with me. So, even I'll be able to learn from you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Anyone have question, then please do ask. And please do fill the feedback form link. I will share once again if you want. But the feedback form link only available in the chat box. We are not going to share in the Telegram group. Please do fill that. And we also attach some assignment questions for you. You have to do that assignment, then only you will get the certificate.
Now, what we have done, being this a short-term training program, whatever softwares we have done in the last 3 days, those were all practical. So we have tried to give an assignment to you so that you can go home, explore it and try to create those assignments. So it will be helpful for you also. And then you will understand more in detail what actually we want to do. Because just looking at the software, it is very difficult for you to understand. So I hope you enjoyed all the 3 days, and these 3 days sessions we kept in. Now, if you check at the feedback also, you will understand such many more sessions or topics we have for you. We have sessions like how do you convert your voice into notes, then how do you plan your regular activities, or how do you plan your schedule for the academic to plan board. We can teach you that also, and other things. Like designing the quizzes for quizzing, giving quiz to the students, marking and all. You've already done through Google Classroom and Google Quizzes. Still, we can have a timer to the quiz. You can shuffle the questions because there are limitations in Google things. So we have come up with new nice test modes and other quiz also that also can be taught to the teachers or to the other things. And other thing is Edmodo, and we have got a student responsive system. How do you respond to the student? Now, looking at the NAC and all the things, we need to keep in mind the student response, the feedback, which is very important, and after that we have to improve. So those also software called as Socrative also will be taught to you. So we will give you a list of all the things. Now, I have got the email or the contact number from the feedback. We will share with you what are topics we can come and teach you. You can do an association with us, and like we did for many other colleges for a basic faculty development, you can even go in for this just a 1 hour, 2 day, or maybe a 3 days. Whatever topics you want, kindly share with us. If you want a new topic to be taught, okay, ma'am, we are interested in this topic, kindly share with us. Now, as you know, in the Telegram, whatever topics we know, we'll surely share it with you. Otherwise, we try to find resources person from the Telegram group itself. So this is just a platform for sharing of knowledge. So any topic you are very good in, which you like to share with us, we are also students. We'll be happy to learn it from you. Right? So thank you so much, and thank you for being attending these sessions, and really appreciate, because most of the participants, we have already been in coordination or we have already taught them the basic things, and very nice of you and kind of you to again just on a small request to come and attend this session. Thank you so much. You can share this information with your friends also, those who are interested. Thanks a lot.
Yes, thank you so much, participants. If you want to connect with us, you can directly connect through the our numbers or our email ID. Noah's email ID we have shared yesterday with you, so you can share. You can contact us with that email ID. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes. And I declare that this 3 days STD short term training program has finished. Thank you.
Thank you, Razak sir. Very nice. Your blessings are surely going to help us all, and obviously we are here only for all your blessings. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much
so
for
much,
this
sir.
topic.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
thank you, sir. Anybody
Really, you
wants
have
to
done a
share
very good job, I tell you.
yes, anybody wants to share your feedbacks, you're welcome. You can unmute and then talk. No worries. This will be an open session now. Yeah, thank
The
you.
3 day session was really interesting,
Yes. Thank you, sir.
and it has given a eye opener for many people.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you so much.
people can start doing their work from today, because now online we have to stick on only online classrooms.
Yes, sir. And this is going to be the new future now. It's not that
Yes,
only
yes.
during lockdown, it is going to be there throughout. And we have to be ahead of our students. We have to survive or sustain in this industry.
That is, you have proved that teachers should be continuous learners.
Yes, sir.
Correct,
That
sir.
was the main thing I started. A teacher is a good student. If she is a good student, she becomes a good teacher, sir.
So you are doing a very good job, a very noble service to the student community and the teaching fraternity. Thank you very much. God bless you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sanjeevani, ma'am. Thank you.
Anyone else want to share your feedback? You are welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Can I?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sure.
Madam, I'm very much thankful to you. I think last time I attended your class in Jairam Swami Vodga,
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Jairam Swami Vodga in the Satara district.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Adokakata.
yes, sir.
Uh, Excellent section that was. And then I called to Pranadi Deshmukh madam. And she given me the Telegram group link and all that things. From that day onwards, I attended everything, every sections I attended. Just I missed last 2 days, and I just come to that in the morning. And again, I checked all that video in the morning, and then I attended this video. And really, ma'am, we are very much thankful to you. We are teachers, and definitely we should be, update your knowledge and all that things. Without you, I can't imagine that this kind of technology and digitalization. Really great, and really thankful to you, ma'am. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you
Thank
so
you
much,
so
sir.
much,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you so much.
Anyone else want to share your feedback?
Your feedback is going to help us all so that we can improve ourselves also and then try to improvise and teach more teachers in future.
I think, ma'am, no one want to share the feedback. So,
Yes, yes, sure.
so shall we conclude the session?
Yes.
Yes.
Pranali ma'am wants to say something. Pranali ma'am.
I would like to thank all the participants who are attend our sessions and giving blessings, their blessings to us. We are always in a teaching means we are always try to learn something and teach to all the faculties, or we can say the teachers that are in connected with us. Thank you so much for your blessings and always with us for learning more things from us.
Thank
you,
you so
Pranali.
much, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Mridula, we can then conclude with the session if we have done with the most of the topics.
Yes.
Kindly go to the feedback form and try to solve the assignments, and then it will be easy for you also to understand many topics which you have missed out. You can watch it. A YouTube link also Mridula ma'am will share it with you on the chat as well as in the group. Thank you.
Yes. We will share the YouTube link in the group, Telegram group.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Prashant sir. So I declare that our 3 days short-term training program in e-content development has been over, and we will update you about our next session in the Telegram group. So please be connected with us through our Telegram group. Thank you so much. Have a good day to
Thank
all.
you.
Thank you so much, everyone.
All participants may leave now. I am ending the meeting.